Hello, and welcome to my project presentation on eastern gray squirrels and wildlife rehabilitation. Species and environment. A gray squirrel is an undomesticated, medium-sized arboreal squirrel with no sexual dimorphism. Its natural environment consists of dense woodlands with mass-producing trees, also species successfully adapted to human and non-native environments. Looking at the history, since early 19th century, gray squirrel was considered a shy woodland creature, a game animal and agricultural pest, seldom seen in human settlements. In mid-19th century, gray squirrel population was purposely introduced to major U.S. cities, with public treating them as urban pets. In wildlife rehabilitation, it's important to understand our animals' cognition, natural history, and consequences of human-animal interactions. Sensation and perception. Gray squirrels have excellent dichromatic color vision, optimized to its arboreal and diurnal life. Their smell is believed to be superior to other rodents, detecting smells of predators and conspecifics, and provide efficient heat and water regulation. Excellent hearing provides species-specific cognitive abilities like eavesdropping. And finally, the tactile hairs of vibrissae provide a wide range of sensory information while assisting in locomotion and foraging. Animal reasoning. Looking at the studies here, the Eason and colleagues tested gray squirrel escape theory and where all subjects made reasonable choices. There was a variation and unpredictability in decision making with spatial relationship, approaching threat, and potential refuge sites influencing animal decisions. Serial reversal learning, Chow and colleagues tested for it, showing cognitive ability to improve efficiency under recurring changes. Attention and memory were recognized as key factors in learning a new spatial pattern. Finally, Chow and colleagues measured the cognitive performance in gray squirrels, showing higher success in innovation compared to native squirrel species. Persistence, readiness to exploit, and the motivation to invest time were attributed to gray squirrel successes. So animal assessment and wildlife rehabilitation and suggestions. So animal reasoning shows how gray squirrels can adapt to different environments and become a pest and home invader if released improperly or habituated. They are excellent problem solvers and crafty escape artists. Rehabilitation strategies require that these animals be constantly provided with cognitive enrichment that promotes problem solving and natural behaviors. Self-awareness and social learning. Gray squirrels have unique personalities, and social awareness is expressed through olfactory discrimination and scent markings. Gray squirrels modify their behavior while observing conspecifics, which is attributed to the scatter hoarding and cache pilferage. And implications to welfare, which I'm going to talk about in my language, but we'll go into memory and recall. And cache retrieval diagram I created above was based on study by Jacobs and Lyman, who were first to show that squirrels rely on memory and not primarily on olfaction. Chow and colleagues use a recall and generalization task to show how gray squirrels retained effective tactics and applied them to different apparatus, as shown in diagram above. Researchers demonstrated cognitive process on gray squirrels who use flexibility and persistence along with long-term memory retention. For communication and language, this long chart, multicolored chart based on types, shows that gray squirrels have a wide range of communication repertoire directed towards conspecific predators, humans, and other animals. Looking at challenges and husbandry, unfortunately, rehabilitators cannot fully replicate mother's care, but can compensate by raising squirrels with litter mates and introduce outdoor pre-release cages until animals acclimated to outside stimuli. And finally, animal emotions. Lavis discussed reciprocity and empathy in rodents, biological altruism, and the camaraderie effect was observed in gray squirrel juveniles through allogrooming, communal nesting, and social play. Delgado and colleagues tested frustration in squirrels, hypothesizing how frustration brings potential benefit to problem solving. And Posson and colleagues discuss the research on the impact of capture, handling, and translocation of wild gray squirrels, showing high level of cortisol, signifying acute stress, and how confinement of those animals would result in long-term stress, changing movement patterns, and changing body mass, showing how those animals are highly sensitive to confinement and capture, affecting their mental state and welfare. And this concludes my presentation. My references are listed above. And thank you very much for listening to my presentation.